Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and it looks like I'm upside down. While I fix this, thank you so much for joining me today for another video tutorial. I have a super cute little thank you card today using the adorable Be Mine Sweet in the mini catalog. Love this paper, super versatile. And who can't resist an adorable punch? I love punches, I have them all, but I really like any type of builder punches. So I love this cute little bee builder punch. Okay, let's get started. We're gonna start, of course, with some Daffodil Delight cardstock. We're just gonna use that as our card base. I'm gonna tape my paper down here so we don't get off track. Okay. Now we're going to stamp our bee so we can punch it out. Now I like to start with the darker parts first when I'm stamping. So we're going to stamp our bee in Memento with this little stinger going off to the right. And I've already stuck his face on, so it'll be right in place, right where I want it. And then I've got his antenna, and those also pop out, or punch out. But I'm going to stick that over there on this side so that I can punch that out a little easier, and I'll show you that in a minute. All right, now we're going to add our yellow. You can tell I've re-inked this recently, so I don't want to make sure I get any lines, but I want it well inked, so we're going to just line this up. And you can see I purposely put his face a little bit on the outside edge, so it's kind of hanging over those little eyelashes, hanging over the edge of the bumblebee. Okay, before I put this away, we're going to do a little more stamping. So I have a piece of this designer paper. It's this yellow plaid on one side. The other side have these make me so happy. These cute little Valentine bees. Aren't they sweet? But I'm doing a thank you card today. So I'm going to first stamp this sentiment that comes with the set. And it says, "You're as sweet as honey," which is perfect for a thank you card. I'm hoping I get this straight. Okay, and then I have the little bee kind of buzz trail. And I'm going to stick this kind of coming down. So he's like come from the outside and he's buzzing this way. Okay, that's, do I have a thank you? I don't have a thank you. I'm gonna just save the inside and then I can write what I wanna write on the inside. Okay, let's glue this down. Let's get some of our pieces out of the way and then we'll punch our bee and assemble him. All right, so we're just going to adhere the designer paper to a layer of basic black. I don't know about you. I love yellow with black, with gray, and with early espresso. I just love yellow. It just makes a happy card to have some yellow in your card. Okay, now out of the designer paper, it has a whole sheet full of these little honey jars. So I cut a couple out. I cut them out with scissors because we don't have you know, a way to die cut those. We don't have a die or a punch. So, but they're very small, so it didn't take much. So I'm going to glue on that little honey jar, and then we're going to pop this honey jar up right like this, and put it down just a little lower. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, love it. Okay, let's grab our punch. And we're going to punch out our bee, and I want to make sure I get his eyelash. So I'm going to go just slightly to the left, see, and punch that out. Isn't that cute? Okay, let's punch out our antenna. And I've already pre-punched the wings, which are hearts. So this is a double duty punch. Not only does it have a bee, the wing, and the antenna, it has a bee and two hearts. So you could use these hearts separately. I mean, who doesn't want an extra heart punch? Okay, so first thing I'm gonna do is just put a little drop of liquid glue at the bottom of the antenna. And we're gonna pop that on top of our bee. Up there, maybe a little too much glue. I thought that was a small dot. Maybe I wasn't paying attention. Okay, now I'm really gluey. I know we all have this problem. Okay, next I'm going to put a little bit, try just a little bit of glue at the bottom of each of our hearts. And we're going to put one heart right there, and we'll put this one right here. So he's got kind of double wings coming up. Move that one up a little bit. Okay, let's use a couple dimensionals and pop up our bee. I'm gonna put one right there over our wings to make sure that those are stuck on good, and just one right there. That should be plenty. And then we'll put him right down there, and that is it. I mean, how sweet and simple is that? I probably went a little too far over on the punch. He's got a lot of white there. That's okay. We could trim him. Next time I'll just punch over a little bit. So I hope you enjoyed today's card. Oh, let's do an inside. We've got inside. I keep saying I'm going to decorate everything and then I forget. Let's see. Let's just do a little honeycomb. We could do flowers or whatever, but we have the yellow ink out. So let's just stamp a little bit of honeycomb. Grab a block. And then I'll do a thank you sentiment, or just right on the inside when I'm ready. Let's do honeycomb for our envelope. You know, let's do a little bit on the back flap. Sometimes it's just kind of fun to go all different directions. A little more stuff there, and then one on the front. Like I always have to do one on the front, just like that. Cute, fun. I love sending fun cards and envelopes in the mail. That's it. Super quick and simple. You could make a whole bunch of these. Just sit down while you're watching a show, cut out a bunch of the little honey jars, and then you can assemble. All right. If you place a $50 order this month, make sure you use the host code posted below on the video, and I will send you an embellishment for free. And all my measurements and supplies are listed on my blog, and the link is below as well. So thanks so much, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.